Okay, in this video I'm gonna show you how my villager grow cucumber. You can see it's produce good fruit too, but the problem is the leaf is wrinkled, maybe because of the temperature. It is very hot. In Cambodia now it's around 34 degrees Celsius, so growing cucumber during this time is not so good. So this is the way we use. So this is how my villager use tree branch as a trellis. So we don't have to spend any money on the trellis. You see, it has good fruit too. So my recommendation is, if we grow cucumber during hot seasons, we better use roof. The fruit is pretty big. This is it just start growing more cucumber for this row. It's look young. And this row is start to producing flower and fruit. I think it's big enough to it's so big now. Maybe it's not required by the market because it's so big.